Saudara. Kita dari Group E, Engineering Design. Hari ini kita nak present tentang assignment kita, projek kita. Projek kita adalah toilet flush tank. Saya Syurain Palaniandi, nombor matrik B0922101188.
Dan saya Muhammad Hafizuddin bin Faizal, nombor matrik B0922100529.
Saya Pravin Raj Manimaran, nombor kad matrik B0922102225.
Saya Muhammad Syafan Hafiq bin Pendi, nombor matrik B0922100061.
Saya Binosan Alaki Shankar, nombor matrik saya adalah B0922101147.
Okay, for first problem settlement, firstly is the flow is clogged. The most frequent of all potential causes of a non-flushing toilet is a clog. This can happen for a variety of reasons, including a youngster flushing a toy, using too much toilet paper, flushing something other than what the toilet is designed for, and other obstruction. A toilet plunger or auger is your first line of defense. Plunger use force to push clogged pipes out of the way by creating suction around the drain opening. To remove obstacle, an auger rotates in a circular manner. If you try this though, and the problem still exists, there might be more serious issue deeper in the sewer pipe.
Okay, now it's about broken or disconnected lift chain. Okay, although it doesn't seem like much, the tiny chain that attaches and to raise the flapper is an essential part of the toilet operation. Sometimes this chain spreads from its plastic arm, or there may be too much extra chain. The third thing is check and make required adjustments. The chain can be reconnected to the plastic arm with the use of a pair of needle and nose pliers. The flappers itself could be twisted, worn out, ripped, or otherwise not sealing, which is a problem related to this. The tank won't fill or flush correctly without a gold seal.
Okay, one of our problem is inlet valves are clogged. The main purpose is clogged because the water enters the toilet bowl from the tank through a series of tiny oval-shaped openings towards the inside top of the bowl. Mineral deposits can accumulate over time and reduce the flow of incoming water to a trickle. The third one, see what happens if you try pouring some hot vinegar or another lime removal substance in. Often this simple home treatment is sufficient to get everything functioning smoothly once more. Pour the vinegar or equivalent substance into the fill valve after turning off the water supply, flushing the toilet, and making sure the tank is empty. To get rid of surplus buildup, use a wire or skinny brush. Restart the water and flush. Water flow out to be returning to normal.
Next, we will look at the function of the toilet flush. The first function is removal of waste. The toilet flush cleans the bowl and the hard-to-reach area under the rim. It transports waste to the drain, where it is then sent to a treatment facility or septic tank. And the second function is cleaning and refilling. Any leftover garbage and residue help to be removed by the water force. The flapper The flapper valve, also known as the flush valve, closes after the flush, stopping the water flow. The water in the flush toilet tank is then refilled in preparation for the following flush.
So what is the advantages of toilet flush? The advantages of toilet flush is effective waste removal, water conservation, cleanliness and odor control, maintenance of sanitation, ease of use, public health benefits. This is the sketch of the product, the final assembly. Next. This is the sketch of flush tank. Flush tank top cover. Flushing pump. Inlet valve. Clotting bowl. Toilet flush tank handle. And this is screw.
Diterangkan.
Okay, that's all. Okay, this is the sketches of the product, the project, which is the final assembly part. Next. This is flush tank. The flush tank is connected to the main water supply of the building through a water inlet valve. This is a flush tank top cover to put the top tank. Right. Next. Flushing pump. Flushing pump is usually for where is it? Press the flush lever or push button on the toilet, it lifts the flush valve. Okay. Is it? Okay.
And this is the main source to make the flush tank working.
This is the inlet valve. Inlet valve. This is the toilet flush handle. Toilet flush handle is usually for we push the mechanism to work. This is screw for tightening from the water supply, the inlet water.